Hey, how come when I, wait, which folder is this? Alright, in the tutorial, it has, like, less files. It has these four, but then when I go to the actual folder, it has way more. Like, what are all... These weren't in here, and this isn't there. Why is it just these two here, but then here it has more? Also, what is the patch? Does that have anything to do with anything? Like, should I just copy and edit these to fit my map and copy and edit these to fit my map, these GSC files? Or should I do the ones from... Or should I do the ones from the actual root? Because, I don't know, it just doesn't seem right. I need help. Thanks.